Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find out sales origin country of any iPhone. Sometimes it's very important for us to have the good configuration while bypassing or terminating or unlocking the cloud activation lock links or lock to owners from any iPhones. To have the good configuration, either it is coming from Apple database or cloud database. If we provide a sales area or sales origin country of any iPhones, especially precise locations, and then easy to have the good configuration, and there will be no chances to have the error to fix it. So how would I do the find out? We will see step by step. There are all demonstrations, so don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be the crucial for you guys. So how would I? The first and foremost, guys, we will connect to one iPhones, and we will have to find out that's iPhone sales area. If you would like to know, then we'll have to go for an administration that is a special iTunes. Sorry, not iTunes, so through your tool, guys. Yes, so that we can find out IEMI number first. So let's see. There's going to be a connection. There's 3U tool, and upon the further we will go for. Now it has succeeded. Just we will tap on it, and upon after tapping, here is IEMI number. Here is one thing more also, that sales region that HN/A. I don't know what's the code of it, so we will come on here. Firstly, simply we will copy, or if you don't copy, no problem at all. So just by this code HN/A, we will have to find out. So if you would like to find out, we will come on this website, that is especially Apple community of there, and HN/A, that is going to be especially HN/A, that is in India, of course. Now HN/A, how do I know? Yes, simply we can see here that is HN/A. So the before /A, especially there is one code that is HN. So here, and A is also valid point. So A is standing for what? A is standing for Canada, and the second is that especially here we can see HN is India. So in the both here, when we utilize the precise location of Canada or especially India, then yes, we can fix this cloud. Yes, lock to owner, or maybe especially activation lock lengths from any iPhone device. While you're fixing it, then of course easy to have the good configuration. All the code is given here, so find out the sales area easily by a simple tricks that connect this detail build reflected on a 3U tool here. Check it out in this code sales region, and upon go on this official website, and upon we can check it out. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you for staying the tail end of this tutorial. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step by step with tutorials shown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share of this content. It really supports the channel, guys. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.